Hello, welcome to the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun tonight. Yes, this is another wonderful episode that I will be sharing with you some things that you need to know about Trump meme coin. And like I told you, in while sharing the flyer for this episode, there are so many things that has been going on that we need to be aware of, and that is one of the reasons why I really need to do this episode, because a lot of people are losing money in the crypto market, and especially people in this side of the world. A lot of Nigerians are losing money. So welcome to today's episode as we uh, delve deeper into a phenomenon that is shaking both the crypto and the political landscape. And like I promised that in this episode, I'll be unpacking the story behind the Trump meme coin. And we need to really sit down and learn. We need to learn because there are so many things that are going on in this industry that a lot of our people don't know what is happening behind the scene, and so many people will just part with their money, and at the end of the day, when they lose their money, it will now become something else. So today, for you not to lose money, you need to be very, very attentive in today's episode of the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun. So please permit me. I'm not going to be showing my camera today because I am. I think I have been exhausted today, so I don't want you to see my face. I don't want you to see my real face, but I'll be sharing some things with you. And please, wherever you are joining us from, let me know. Let me see your comment in the comment section. Let me know where you are joining from. Okay, so if you're joining from the United States of America and you are trading the Trump meme coin, you need to be very, very informed. You have to be informed. You have to be careful because a lot of people are losing their hard-earned money to this coin at the moment. Now we'll look at a lot of controversies about the Trump meme coin, and we'll look at why you need to be careful and why you should protect your investment. Because a few days ago I was on the social media and I saw Kuti's video where he was lamenting that his sister lost 50 million naira into cryptocurrency, and a lot of stories like that, a lot of people. And I deem it fit that, oh, we need to come on board and share this information that I want to share with you, so that our people would know what they are doing. You will know what you are going into. Now, let me tell you this, that the Trump meme coin is a digital asset. It is a digital asset that skyrocketed to a multi-billion dollars valuation in just few hours of its launch. And you know what that means? In fact, it's at the early hour of the launch of these coins, it was making waves. And I was seeing a lot of our people in Nigeria, are speculating, when the new coin is in town, people will turn themselves to financial advisor. And a lot of people were saying, buy. If you had invested $1,000, you'll be making $2,000. By now, you'll be making like $3,000. And a lot of people were putting in their money. And within few days, the thing crashed. And I'm going to be showing you the chart very soon. I will show you the chart very soon. But I need you to understand that this multi-billion dollars valuation is very risky. The Trump meme coin is very, very risky because, in fact, it has been igniting debates about the market speculation and political branding, even ethics in the crypto space since its launch. And that is why I want you to be careful. If you bought this coin around $20, you need to watch what I'm going to be showing you in this video. You need to watch what I'm going to be showing you in this video. But before we dive deeper, let me quickly tell you some things about this coin. A lot of people I have heard about it. Maybe today is the first time you are coming across something of this nature. You are hearing about Trump meme coin. Let me tell you what it is. It is a type of cryptocurrency that is born out of internet culture and humor. There is no fundamental basis to it. There's nothing that is backing it than internet culture and humor. And another thing that is backing it is personal branding. You understand? You see a lot of celebrities can come up. They've been doing that. They will just come up and develop a coin and rake in billions or millions of dollars. And at the end of the day, the value of the coin will now crash. People are not making noise. They are not saying anything. And a lot of people are losing their money. So this coin, the Trump meme coin, is a type of cryptocurrency that is born out of internet culture and humor. And it was, the name, as the name implies, it is Trump coin. It was launched a few days to his inauguration. And then ever since it was launched, we saw a lot of surge. In fact, within 24 hours, it values at $20 or $50 billion. And the guy is richer now. But I need you to know that Trump owns about 80% of that asset. And it is written, go and Google it, it is written that he can sell at any time. That nobody can stop him at any time he can sell. So now, the concept behind this meme coin is that, meme coins are unique digital tokens that derive value primarily from social sentiment and viral appeal rather than traditional market fundamentals. Like I said earlier, there's no fundamentals that is backing this meme coin, especially Trump meme coin. It was based on sentiment. It was based on social sentiment and viral appeal because it became the United States of American president. So now let me quickly show you something. Look at the value as at when it was inaugurated. Now, and you need to see, I'm going to show you the chart. Look at the chart. This is a live session. It's not a recorded session. Now, let me show you. Look at when it was launched on the 25th. It was launched on this day, Saturday 18th of January. And then after that, the next day, the thing crashed. It went up that day to this level to $27. And what happened after then? It crashed down. And after that, there was after that, this is a 4-hour chart. After that, there was a gap. But fundamental analysts, you understand what I mean by gap. This space here between this candle and this candle is a gap. The price gapped up to this level. Look at it, gapped up to this level at 77.93 cents. So, and at that point, a lot of people were still speculating that it will go up. You should put in your money. So people were putting in money until this day on the 19th. It went up on the 19th of January 2025. On the 19th, it still went up before the thing began to crash on the 20th. Look at what happened. Since that day, it has been down up to this day. And the price is at 20 points. As at now, the price is $20. Let's say $20 now. The thing that went up to this high as $78. Now, what does this signify? It signifies that you need to be very, very careful when you see this type of a thing. Whenever you come across this type of a thing, you have to be very, very careful. Yes, J.Y. Webb. So nothing tangible. There was nothing tangible. Nothing tangible about it. You can go and Google it. It was Donald Trump had 80% of the asset. He holds 80% of the Trump meme coin. meaning that it can sell at any time, and it is written in on I think on their website or somewhere that it can sell at any time without permission, without even informing the public. So we need to take note of this, especially our people in Nigeria, that you see something that you don't know what is behind the scene, and you quickly go and be putting in your hard money or hard-earned currency or hard-earned money. So there was no this thing is not, it is no traditional market fundamentals that is backing up this coin. There no historical, nothing. And it's not like the forex market or the Bitcoin itself. I mean the Bitcoin, Ethereum, that has been in the market for some times now, that has historical data that you can use to analyze. Now let me show you this, what I'm seeing here. Look at before its launch, there was nothing here. Nothing here. And you see, whenever you see candlesticks like this, is an indication that something is happening somewhere. But in this case, look at nothing. And from that on the 19th, the price began to come down. And when you see small candlesticks like this, it shows the volume, that there was no volume again, because the main volume, the larger 80% of the volume of this coin is owned by one person. So we need to be careful when you see a new coin, and a lot of celebrities are doing this. They can just come and make money from the market, and nobody is going to catch them. Nobody is going to arrest them, because they will tell you that it's a risky market. Yes, even the forex market, the stock market, the equity, the commodities, everything, they are risky. So, but you are the one that will take due diligence. You need to take due diligence, because a lot of these guys are making money from the public, or from the populace, from the masses. This guy is now richer. He's richer. From the day one that he was inaugurated, he was richer than every other person in the United States of America, apart from all the billionaires and those his allies. So you need to understand this and be careful with the way you part with your money. Within hours of its launch, Trump meme coin surged to a staggering, fully diluted valuation that has no fundamental basis. And at one point, it was estimated to approach tens of billions of dollars. So this explosive growth is something that you need to understand and ask yourself, what is pushing this thing? What is driving this thing? The growth was driven largely by, frenzy of speculative buying and social media hype. And that is when you see a lot of our people on TikTok and IG telling you to go and buy. If you had bought, you'll be that time, you'll be 2 times richer, 4 times richer now. Please, this is 2025. Wise up. Yes, there are some investments that are going to be doing well, or that will be performing well this year by virtue of what Donald Trump is doing. But however, you need to be informed. You need to be what? Be informed. Let me see your comment in the comment section that you need to be informed. Type that in the comment section. You need to be informed. You need to be informed. Another thing that why you need to be informed is that before you part with your money, consider the volatility. There's what we call trading volatility in the market. Be it in stock market, the financial market, the commodities, the whatever, is it food commodity, is it metal commodity or oil? There is what we call volatility. And you must understand that. How volatile is this thing? How liquid is this instrument that I want to trade? So please Make sure you understand this so that by the time you understand that, you position yourself as a market watcher. A market watcher, what they do is that they are always watching, they are speculating, they are analyzing, they are also on the known. So this is something that we all need to be careful of, irrespective of who is hyping it. We know when this guy Elon Musk did his Dogecoins or Dogecoin, that he was, a lot of people were speculating that it's going to get to $100. It's going to get to $100. Look at what happened. They would just pull out their phone, and before you know, they would render the coin useless. So there's conflict of interest concerning this Trump meme coin. There is conflict of interest and insider trading allegation, because a lot of Americans that bought this coin are already lamenting. They knew that some of them would lose their money. They knew, because 80% of the coin supply remains under the control of Trump affiliated entities. And he told them, he wrote, it was written in black and white. Go and Google it. So a lot of people are now saying, oh, such concentrated ownership should be questioned. You understand? You can't question that. Already there's conflict of interest, but however, even insider trading knew what they were doing. You understand? They knew what they were doing, and that was why the hype was so much. And I want to beg you, before you part with your money this year, please be careful. Be careful. Maybe this is one of the reasons why our community will hasten the launch of our community, because we are working on that. We're working on our newsletter and also our community, where you come. It's a premium package anyway. It's a premium community for serious would-be investors and entrepreneurs, where you come, you share ideas. We can help you, to turn your ideas to business, or turn your product to business, and also help you to, with advice on how you can build your investment portfolios. So this is something that I want to quickly share with us tonight. And I want you to please be careful. Be careful. A lot of them will still come on board. A lot of celebrities will imbibe, they would take advantage of the masses. They will do what Trump did, and they will get away with it. Now look at this. When you see this now, let me show you this. There's something I discovered from this chart. Okay, now let me open something. Okay, this is Trump. This is Trump under this Binance Spot, crypto Binance. Now, when you look at this here, the chart is different from the one I showed you, but it's still the same price, because now the thing is still going down. But you see, same hour, same time frame, 4 hours time, and look at what we saw here. The previous candles were not displayed here. But when you go to the one, where did I choose? Okay, let me change it. Let me change it to spot, to Trump USD spot. You see, you can see all this formation. Now, when you see some of these formations like this, it shows that there's no consistency. There's no consistency. So you have to be very, very careful so that you don't put your money. Was it in January or February? I saw a video where a guy was lamenting and begging people to help him, that his dad gave him 2 million and the guy invested in cryptocurrency. And you just have to be careful. Everyone that claims to be a cryptocurrency trader are not cryptocurrency traders. A lot of those Yahoo boys are now using that formula now. When you ask them what are they doing, they will tell you, I'm a forex trader. They don't know how to even analyze the chart. And they will tell you, oh, I'm a cryptocurrency trader. I do crypto. But a lot of them are not into any crypto. They don't even understand. They can't trade. A Yahoo boy will trade crypto. Follow the ferry. He doesn't even have that brain to do crypto or forex. So I'm also working on a forex trading alert, not trading alert for you to trade, for you to be aware. If you see some signals, you have to run away. If you see this, what you should know, so that you will not lose your money. Maybe next week I'll come up with that, or during the week I will record that so that I can share with you. Please, this year, one of the things that you must do is to embrace the principle of rule of money. Don't lose money. The number 2 principle is, don't forget principle number 1. I think that's by George Soros. So please, one thing that I want to leave you with tonight is Trump meme coin is not what you should invest your money. And peradventure, if you have invested your money, maybe you bought around $20, just watch it all through next week. And if it goes back to your entry, just sell or you exit. Because don't think that this thing will go back to $78 in as soon as possible. No, it's not gonna happen, because Donald Trump does not even see this now. And we can count a lot of things that he has done in the past that bankrupt. He has the university. In fact, I have 2 of his books of his Trump University. I have one. In fact, I'm looking at some of them now in my library. I have one that is about wealth creation. There's also one marketing. He created all this course, and I bought those things. Then after some times, he will tell you, oh, I don't know anything about it. It's my ally and this, that. And he would justify it and go scot-free, but you would have lost your money. So please take note and don't believe everyone that claims to be a forex or cryptocurrency trader. A lot of them cannot. This thing I'm showing you, they don't know it. A lot of them don't know it. They cannot do that research. So please be careful so that you don't fall victim. So now, in closing, I want you to know that the volatile interception of the crypto speculation and political branding has come to stay. Another president or another political figure will do the same thing that Donald Trump did about this meme coin, and they will go scot-free. They will go scot-free. So don't let them don't let them use your money to enjoy themselves. It is called crypto speculation and political branding. You have to be careful about that. In fact, celebrity branding too, that one has been in existence. So now they are taking it to political branding. So whether you are viewing it as a pioneering experiment in digital finance, please, or you are cautionary about this unchecked ambition, one thing is clear. Conversation is that it sparks an essential or an essence for everyone interested in this financial market to be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. So please, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, this is Taiwo Impact Podcast YouTube channel. And I want to beg you, please, we are building a community. Please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up so that we can get it across to a lot of people that will watch it. Oh, so on this note, let me draw the curtain. If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section, and I'll be glad to attend to your question personally. I'll try and do that despite my tight schedule. I will do that. Let me quickly read this comment. Okay, embarrassing that a president is doing this. No, the guy is in business. He's in business. He doesn't care. Do you think they care about anybody? They are in business. So, okay, I can see Floyd Mayweather did the same thing with his meme coin. Yes, that's what they are doing. That's what they are doing, and it crashed overnight. Even this one is crashing already. Did you see it? I don't know when it's going to come back again. A lot of people put their money. Look at, when is it coming up again? This is As at now, it's $19. And so many people jumped in at $20, 20 something dollars. So if you know that you can still forego some of this, yeah, then why not? But if you can part with that money, then you can leave it, let it run. Maybe it will repent tomorrow and they'll push it up again. But if you see any spike, any spike up, upward spike, please jump out. Don't jump in. Don't buy anything. These guys, they don't care. They don't care. All right. So thank you so much. And like I said, please subscribe to this channel because I'll be coming up with a lot of valuable content like this, and even a lot about about forex and also bond. This year we will make money together, but you have to be on guard. You have to be at alert. You have to be informative. You have to be ready to learn. So on this note, I want to appreciate you for your time and say do have a wonderful evening. Taiwo Balogun, your host.